Sir, good morning classmates. My topic for today is values clarification. Moral reasoning either arrives at what is right or wrong, good or bad, valuable or not valuable. The moral reasoning process might choose follow a model called values clarification, and a model that helps a person identify their true values through a step-by-step process it involves. So, what is the values clarification? So, usa ka proseso nga nagtabang sa mga individual sa individual sa pag-ila, pagsabot o pag-una sa ilang personal nga mga mithi unsay tinuod nga importante sa ila. So, choosing freely, making choices without pressure. So, choosing freely means paghimo og desisyon based sa imong kaugalingon, kabubuton nga dili pugson maniobra o gilimitahan sa mga impluwensya sa gawas. So, choosing from alternative considering different option. So, choosing from alternative means pagpili sa usa ka kapilian gikan sa usa ka hugpong sa laing mga posibilidad. Kini usa ka mahimong danong bahin sa paghimong desisyon. So, number 3, truthful consideration, taking through the consequence. So, truthful consideration is nagtumong sa mainampingon ug tinuyong nga paghuna-huna sa usa ka butang sa dili pa mahimo og desisyon o paghimo og opinyon. Number 4, pricing the choosing, being happy and proud of the choices. So, pricing the choice means pagpabilin o pag-appreciation sa desisyon nga nahimo sa usa, ilabi na kung kini nagpakita sa personal nga pinagawasan, responsibilidad o lalom nga gihuptan nga mga pagtuo. So, affirming publicly, willingness to share and stand by the choice. So, affirming publicly means dayag nga pagpahayag o pagpahayag sa imong mga pagtuo, mithi o pagdesisyon atubangan sa uban. So, number 6, acting on the choice, taking action based on the decision. Acting on the choice means paghimo og action based sa usa ka decision nga imong nahimo. 7, acting consistently, repeating the action over the time. Action consistently means pagawi sa usa ka lig-on matag-an o kasaligan nga pag-agi sa paglabay sa panahon. Creative responsibility responsibility. When a normal problem comes one's way, which may be communicated as a silent or variable message or through a happening or an in, incident, the the Synoid response will be a process of moral reasoning. One may use the affirmative reasoning models. One might automatically apply classics of traditional frameworks or norms. Creative responsibility nagtumong sa obligasyon o tulubagon nga ang usa ka magbubuhat sama sa usa ka artist, writer, designer, filmmaker, content producer. Kinahanglan maghuna-una sa epekto ng og sa pagtunay sa ilang mga trabaho. So, first, a creative and defining response comes from of positive human action. Second, to give a fitting human response in some from of positive action in inevitable means creatives and response. Third, a creative response means one has to choose from among many possible fighting responses. It is impossible to find only one possible fighting response to a human situation. Fourth, in order that creative response of the individual be authentic, he must be in constant dialogue with community and culture in which he lives. Creative responsibility is responding silently or variable to call and address an ethical problem creatively by considering all possible points of view, thinking outside the box using relevant frameworks. One technique of coming up with a creative response is applying the phenomenological method of suspending judgment, placing framework, acknowledge biases, prejudices, erect between brackets, letting the thing be or show itself as itself. Thank you, sir.